Xiaomi will launch the Redmi Note 6 Pro in India before the 20th of November. This news comes according to a press invite that has been leaked online. While the exact date remains unknown based on the leaked images, the Redmi Note 6 Pro has already been launched in markets like Dubai, Thailand and others. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The invite also indicates that the phone could feature 4 cameras in total, 2 on the back and 2 on the front of course. The Redmi Note 5 Pro had dual rear cameras only and a single 20MP front sensor, though both supported portrait modes thanks to the software made so. As per the leaked invite, one can spot the text 2 is better than 1 followed by coming soon, flagship camera killer. The leaked invite shows 1_November, which means that the launch date could be anytime between the 10th and 19th of the month. Though again, given this is a leak and not a final invite, the date could change and this could be false as well, so it is to be taken with a pinch of salt. Coming to the specifications that we've received so far include the device featuring a 6.18-inch Full HD Plus display running the same old Snapdragon 636 chipset that we have seen on the Redmi Note 5, but this time it would be coming with MIUI 10 out of the box, built on Android 8.1 Oreo instead of Pie. Disappointment, right? The device is backed by a massive 4000 mAh battery, and Indian users can expect to see the upcoming Xiaomi flagship in 4 and 6GB of RAM options and 64GB of storage, and 64GB of onboard storage being the only option. Hits the same string as the Note 5 Pro, right? But as we have just mentioned, this time the Note 6 Pro will sport a dual camera setup, being 20 and 2MP sensor duos at the front, with the same old 12 and 5MP sensor duo at the rear. Rumors also indicate that the Redmi 6 Pro could be launched in India at a starting price of 14,999 rupees, or that is roughly $204, being the 4GB RAM variant, with the 6GB variant coming at 16,999 rupees or $231, which is again in sync with the pricing of the Note 5 Pro. The only visible difference apart from the camera is the display size of the Note 6 Pro. The other specifications are similar to the older variant, with the expected colors being black, red, blue and rose gold. So that was it for the rumored part, and we still have to see what the company actually launches on a date coming soon. So that would be it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.